Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom boom, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Good morning, day one, Costa Rica. Yesterday was a half day, so our first full day.
Loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Ain't a ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Take you up in boom boom boom, boom boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding dong, plans would come true. Ain't a ding dong, spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Oh, shit. Ow. Fuck. Oh. Yay. He's spilling a water bottle. Day one. I didn't get a lot of footage today because I didn't. We went to the river. There was a bunch of other stuff, but I will not explain it. So. We are on our way home. Liam is asleep over there. We stopped to go pee. And now we are sitting on the side of the road. Dark, what you would describe as a creepy road, but it's great. But yeah, we just went and saw Pirates of the Caribbean. Day Quattro. So, I think we're going to ride bikes today, and it's going to be moist and dank. Weirdly sexual, but we'll just leave it, make that okay. It's food. It's food. I think we're also going to get Liam's phone today, because it is at a repair shop, because his phone killed itself, so yeah. I'm going to redo that ending of that, because it was really bad. It's like a chocolate-covered Twinkie with jelly inside. It's called a Gane. Oh my god, it tastes like a Twinkie. Try this. Outro is not any better. Bye. Here, I'll just drink some.
Okay, you do it.
You can drink me helping. Look.
Good job.
Look, you're on a movie. You're on a movie.
I'm on a movie? I realize I was on a movie.
Yeah, you're on a movie right now. What do you have to say for the movie?
I have a camera.
He has a camera. He has a camera? Oh shit. Ray, see who can get one down first. Did you just throw the machete? Oh, it's right there. Oh. Uh-oh. Did I throw this to you? Nighttime vlog. Let's see. It is Saturday, May 27th. It was a lit day. Actually, we got lost on a roundabout and went completely random directions. Got lost in the mountains like 3 times by this navigation that didn't really work. We never made it to the mall. So I guess we actually never got to our destination at all today, so that was great. Anyways, bye. Day 5. It's gonna be a quick one because Jimmy kayak practice. But yeah, we comboed a spider last night. Fucking like threw water at it, stabbed it with a broom, and then hit it with a shoe. It was 10 out of 10.